Hi everyone, Lisa here with LC Designs. I have for you today my March all occasion card class. So my all occasion card class, I always try to have like what a different occasion on each card. This month I'm going to have two actual holidays. But here's the first card. It's using the Taco Fiesta stamp set. The three of the cards are fancy folds, so this one will fold like that. Look at how cute the little avocados. Holy guacamole, it's your birthday. The second one is the Easter Bunny card, and this is called a screen card. Yours will not have this piece here. I actually dropped my stamp pad on there, so I had to cut a piece of paper and re-stamp it instead of recreating the whole card over. So that one stands like that. This card is another fancy fold. This uses the Kind and Sincere stamp set, and it unfolds like this. And the last card is this one, which is the Lucky Clover stamp set. And so you'll make this card. So you're gonna make, the class will include all the materials to make 2 each of these cards. So you'll go home with 8 cards. The class is in person at my house at 11 o'clock a.m. on March 10th. If I get enough interest for an evening class, I will do an evening class, but my most popular right now is 11 o'clock a.m. But you can also get this class to go. So you'll have all the materials. Everything will be sent to you so you can make them. But you will have to have the 4 stamp sets because I'm not allowed to send stamped images. But I will punch out the clovers for you because these are no longer available. The punch is no longer available. So if you have the stamp set, you could go ahead and stamp them. And then the same with the bunny. This one's on back order, and I believe it's not coming until after Easter. And your kit will also include the 8 envelopes for your cards. They'll all fit inside this size envelope. Again, the class in person in Rio Rancho, New Mexico, that's where I live, is $25. If you want the to-go kit, it's going to be $30 because that includes the $5 for me to ship it to you. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. I will post the registration link above this video on Facebook, and it'll be below this video on YouTube. Again, you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.